Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Narayan Reddy, working as a ServiceNow developer at Palni. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate a display business rule using a real-time incident management scenario. Let's take a situation where a service desk agent opens an incident record for a caller. Before starting the investigation, the agent wants to know how many active incidents are already associated with that caller. The information helps the agent understand whether the caller is facing multiple issues and providing better context for support. To achieve this requirement, I used a display business rule. First, search for business rule. Under system definition, click on business rule. To create new business rule, click on new. Give name as display active incidents. Select the table incident. Click on advanced. Here, click on display. Write script in the advanced tab. Write a glide record for incident table. First, take a count variable and initialize with 0 and gr.add query with the caller ID and query for only active records. Execute the query and iterating a loop through all records with the gr.next and increase the count by 1. To store the count, we use g_scratchpad variable. G_scratchpad is used to fetch server-side data and display it in client-side. G_scratchpad dot active count equal to count. Click on save. To access this G_scratchpad variable, we use onChange client script. In the navigation bar, search for client script. Click on client scripts. Click on new. Give the name as show active incident count. Type table as incident. UI type all. On change. Select the caller field. Here we are displaying caller incident counts in a info message. G_form dot add info message as, and we are accessing the G_scratchpad variable here. Click on save. For testing, navigate to incident table. Click on create new. Select the caller as able tutor. Here you can see the info message as caller has 301 incidents. This demonstrates a display business rule can use it to retrieve data on server side and pass it to the client side by using G_scratchpad variable. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more ServiceNow tutorials. Thank you for watching.